Hi guys, Rob. Just a quick video on dialing in a clutch. I get quite a lot of PMs, people asking me how to do it and what difference it can make. Obviously any amount of extra work you can do to try and stop vibration is going to be an easier life on your engine. Basically I just got a motor held in a vise, dial indicator set on a magnetic mount, and this one at the moment, the hub has been true. The hub is true with the crank, just straight fitting it. It is within half thou. So that's just, you're not going to get much better than that basically. So with this now, where the screw holes would go in normally, so if you just plonk it together like you would and just bolt it up, this is how much run out we've got okay on here now. It's 5 thou, 6, 6.5, 7. We're getting up 7 towards 8 thou of run out of that shoe in that place. Okay, so if I rotate this shoe now 180 degrees, okay, so we're down here and look at the top of the camera to there. Okay, so that's now where we can put the bolts in now. Okay, we're going to try and get to 0 again. Okay, so if we start in there, okay, that's half. There we go. Get a little bit of noise on that. We get a little bit of noise on it. Basically, the surface on here will make the thing bounce. But you can see now that we've dropped our shoe movement. Some of that is me pressing against the wheel here. Will adjust it. This is why I always suggest that people take the piston out. It's just the crank only. But you see the difference now, how much smoother that's going to be. We're only talking now roughly, get a spike just there, but 2 to 3 thou, something like that. You can now tighten that even more by putting screws into these holes and actually twisting the shoe against the screws. So you're putting some side load on. You can work at this sort of various angles and keep on just trying to adjust the screws. Sometimes I'll nip one up and leave the other one loose and give them a twist against each other to get that reading there as close as I can to no movement. And that's how you do your DTI, your dialer test indicate on a clutch, to get the smoothest running helicopter you can. Okay, cheers.